How to say Wi-Fi password on Samsung. So if a Samsung phone is connected to the Wi-Fi and now you want to see your Wi-Fi password in your Samsung, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to see Wi-Fi password on your Samsung phone, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung. Now once you open the settings app, scroll down, click on connections. Under connections, locate Wi-Fi. Then here you have access to your connected Wi-Fi. Now go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you see security. Under security, locate the password. Click on it. You'll be prompted to type in your Wi-Fi pin, password, pattern, or use your Face ID to unlock it. Then click on continue. Then you're gonna see the Wi-Fi password. You see that? However, if you want to see other Wi-Fi password on your Samsung phone, just go ahead and click on the three dots at top right. Then click on advanced settings. Then here, click on manage network under network settings. Once you click on that, you're going to see all the network you've connected to on your Samsung. Then locate the Wi-Fi host password you want to find. Click on it. Then click on password. Then type in your PIN, pattern, passcode and click on continue. Then you should see the Wi-Fi password just like this. So that is basically how to see Wi-Fi password on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.